Hello everyone! It is time for English lesson with Puan Nur Ain. We are still going to review your Year 5 topic, Unit 15, Real Life Heroes. For today, I want you to refer to your Week 7 module and we are going to do reading comprehension, grammar and writing. We're going to start with reading comprehension. Before that, let's look at the learning objectives. At the end of the lesson, pupils should be able to read and understand a text, then answer comprehension questions based on the text. Now, boys and girls, I want you to refer to your module. For exercise 1, you need to read the following text and answer the following questions. So first, let's read the story. The story about a day in the life of a firefighter. And this is about Azmin. And he is a firefighter. So you read everything and then try to understand the story. After that, you may proceed with the questions. Now, let's look at the question. Question number 1. What does Encik Azmin do? Let's look at the option. Option A. He supervises a team of firefighters. Is that correct? So, let's look at the keyword supervise and then try to find the information from the text. Here, each morning, our supervisor briefs us on the work we will be carrying out for the day. So, it is not Encik Azmin, but his supervisor. So, option A is wrong. We can eliminate option A. Let's move on to option B. He volunteers at the fire station. Is that correct? So you have to remember, Azmin is a firefighter. What does a firefighter do? A firefighter works at the fire station, not volunteers. Alright? So we can eliminate option B as well because he is not a volunteer, but he works at the fire station. Okay, let's move on to option C. He stops fires burning. Is that correct? Of course, yes, because that is the job of a firefighter. But wait, we have to look at all the options. Let's look at option D. He makes prank calls. Is that correct? Definitely, the answer is wrong, so we can eliminate option D. And we will get option C as the correct answer. Okay, now let's look at question 2. For question 2, why do prank calls waste time and resources? So the keyword here, prank calls waste time and resources. So you have to find the information from the text and then choose the correct answer. I want you to do question number 2, 3, 4 and 5 on your own. Try to eliminate the wrong answer. And then you can get the correct answer. We're going to continue with grammar lesson. For today, we are going to look at imperative sentences. Let's look at the learning objectives. At the end of the lesson, pupils should be able to understand the imperatives, then write the suitable imperative sentences. Imperative sentences. An imperative sentence is a sentence that gives advice, direction, request, and order. You may study the grammar notes given. you have to look at all the examples and then try to answer exercise 2. Now let's look at exercise 2. Look at the pictures. Write the suitable imperative sentences for each picture using the words given. For example, number 1, you may write, please sweep the floor. For number 2, you may write, please tidy your room. Then I want you to do all the questions in your module. All the best! We're going to continue with writing lesson. For today, you are going to write a short passage. First, let's look at the learning objectives. At the end of the lesson, pupils should be able to write a short passage about real-life heroes and please check your punctuation. Now, boys and girls, let's look at these two people. The following two people are real-life heroes. They have dedicated their life so that others could lead a better life. The first passage is about Tan Sri Dr. Jamilah Mahmud. And the second one is about Datin Paduka Mother A. Mangalam. Now, using the phrases in the table, you need to write a short passage on Datin Paduka Mother A. Mangalam. You can take the first article as your guideline. For example, Datin Paduka Mother A. Mangalam is a social worker and a founder of Pure Life Society. Then, she was born in Singapore and is trained as a teacher. You may refer to the first article. She was born in Malaysia and is trained as a doctor. Then, you may proceed with your exercise in your module. All the best! That's all for today. Thank you everyone. Bye.